Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming basics so you don't chase ghosts. Make sure your AirPods Pro have the latest firmware and your iPhone is updated. This fixes many transparency issues automatically. Once done, charge the case and both buds above 50% and reconnect via Bluetooth so you have a stable link. You should also visually inspect and gently clean ear tips and mic ports. Dirt muffles external sound and mimics transparency faults, so remove debris with a soft brush or cotton swab carefully. Now you'll reset and recalibrate software settings to rule out configuration errors. First, toggle between transparency and active noise cancellation in Control Center a few times to exercise the microphones. Next, perform a factory reset. Put buds in case. Hold the rear button for about 15 seconds until amber then white flashes, which clears corrupt states. After repairing, test transparency in quiet and noisy spaces, so you confirm microphones and processing. Finish by fine-tuning and applying a troubleshooting hierarchy so you solve remaining issues quickly. Check accessibility settings. Disable any headphone accommodations or audio routing that could alter transparency processing, and run the ear tip fit test to ensure a proper seal. Swap tips if needed. If problems persist, test with a different iPhone or iPad to isolate the source, and only then contact Apple support or a certified repair. This confirms whether it's hardware or device-specific software causing the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.